Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get infinite mining knuckle drills in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is the Abyss Nexus next to the current quarry, northeast of the city of Hernand. Before we get the mining drills, make sure you equip a sword and shield first. We will make use of the skill shield bash to get our infinite mining drills. Now make your way towards the entrance of this quarry and gather the enemies around one area. You will notice that some of these enemies are equipped with a drill on their hand. Wait for them to hit you, then do a shield bash to disarm them. Disarm enemies with knuckle drills as much as you can, then pick up the drill right after. Run away until you're able to teleport on the Abyss Nexus we were standing on earlier. Repeat this process until you get multiple knuckle drills so we can refine it to max or at least to level 6. Once you get enough knuckle drills, head to the smithy and refine it using the duplicate equipments we looted. You'll be able to increase the refinement of the drill in no time, granting you additional ores when mining. I haven't checked if the enemy in other quarries wears knuckle drill as well, so you may want to check them in case you've already cleared this quarry. And that is how to get infinite mining knuckle drills in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.